There are several property management software options, making choosing one very challenging. Is DoorSpot worth considering? Learn all about pricing, features, and more. DoorSpot is a cloud-based platform to managing your entire rental portfolio, simplifying rent, collection, and maintenance tracking. In this video, you will make a decision what option you should go with when it comes to a property management software. I'm going to discuss DoorSpot and DoorLoop. And at the end, I will share something very cool, so stick around. Hey there, Galina here, a property management expert with DoorLoop. Just to let you know, I do work for DoorLoop, therefore my opinions may be biased. DoorSpot features. It's important to understand the features of this property management software. Web-based system options like this work well with HOA property managers and so much more. DoorSpot features include tenant online payments, property management tasks, insights and reporting, filtering and search, store contact information, direct communication, background checks, tenant portal, and maintenance portal. DoorSpot pricing. DoorSpot costs about $54 a month. Does DoorSpot offer a free trial? Yes, there's a free 14-day trial available. Something to consider. DoorLoop is an all-in-one property management tool that includes a rent manager and so much more. Homeowner associations and individual investors will definitely like it. DoorLoop features. The features for DoorLoop include automated rent payments, maintenance management, full accounting suite including a chart of accounts, reconciliations, and QuickBooks online integration, e-leasing and screening tools, tenant portal that makes communicating with your tenants easy, an owner portal to help manage everything to do with your owners, including printing checks and running reports, a convenient mobile app, marketing tools such as automatic listings, and much more. DoorLoop starts at only $49 a month for 20 properties. Are you ready to try the best property management software out there? If you want to enjoy premium features, a first-class platform, and reasonable prices, DoorLoop is the best option. Click this link right here to schedule a demo with us. You may just get a discount because you watched this whole video. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope we chat with you soon.